gorgeous. I'll talk about that because I'm going to be really focused on that. I still got some size on that swing. First sign of strength here, I'm going to pay myself a little bit on this NVIDIA. My target was 275. We hit it, you know, in the pre-market. Profit stopping on this NVIDIA. It pulls back. Again, I'm just going to let it take me out. It's a nice gap win, you know, nice swing. I already paid myself. It's looking good. What a beauty. Let's go. Take an ad on this one now. I'm liking this. Let's see. Come on, pull back. Pull back. If I can get a quick pullback and a PCH on this, I'm going to take an ad. I still have half of my size on the strike, the swing strike here. They're up $5, $6, $6, $6.50, almost $7 on these things, man. And that's huge for NVIDIA, that kind of size on this thing. So I don't really need to take an ad, but I would love to get my full size back in here again if we take off. This could be a really nice home run for me if we do. So I had to take some profits going into that 15. So I just took a chunk off there. So I've paid myself. I'm all out in NVIDIA. Now I'm looking at whether or not I want to get back in these. Let's see. Order filled. Yeah, I went ahead and got me some chaser size. I got to get something going here. I'm not going to sit here and watch this anymore. This is beautiful. There we go. Look at these things. They're up. We just hit $1. Order filled. Take some profits into this 5-minute camel close. That's a one hell of a rip. This NVIDIA just insanity. But anyway, I've paid myself. I got some leftovers from 2 different strikes now. I had an order sitting out in case we pull back into the 5-minute 9 right in here, and I just got filled. The main things to remember here for everybody is until you really see it break out, you never know until you see it. Like NVIDIA here, for example, the options are moving this thing. I've been watching them all day long. We're getting 1,000 contracts come in on the next 5. Somebody is forcing the market makers to drive this shit to 300. I mean, they're buying 1,000 contracts at every single strike, right? When it gets there, boom, 1,000 contracts come in, boom, 1,000 contracts come in. You're like, holy shit, market makers start buying stock, man. I mean, you don't, sometimes you don't know until you see it happen. But I guarantee you this wouldn't have happened the day before yesterday because no one in their right mind would have done it. It's happening today because today has the potential. Whoever's doing this, whoever's driving this price using options to drive the price here, they chose today to do it because they know that today had the potential to work, right? Today's the day that it had the potential to work. And that's what I'm trying to really drive home for all of us, not just, you know, any one person here. It's for all of us. Today is the day that we had the potential. We didn't know right out the gate if it was going to work or not, but we did know that it had the potential. It was the day after a Fed catalyst. I put trades on yesterday. I put swings on Monday based on what? That we had the potential for this move. That's why I put the swings on. No other reason.